A roller face massager is different from regular massagers because it uses the concept of a solid spherical ball being rolled over your face, which results in stimulation of the lymphatic system, thereby getting rid of toxins, easing tension in your muscles, decreasing puffiness of the face, and making your face glow by stimulating the blood flow. They are typically made from materials like jade, rose quartz, or crystal. This roller face massager works on many levels. Using it is also called face rolling. It stimulates blood flow, which means that the skin on your face gets more nutrients and oxygen, and it also gives you a deep tissue massage. Using a roller face massager is not only beneficial for your face in terms of massaging it and giving it benefits, but it is also used to give a natural look after you put makeup on your face. It is recommended that the rollers should be cold when you use them to massage your face, and it is also important that you always roll upwards and in only one direction. In this video, I bring you 5 of the best roller face massagers that you can buy today in India. Face rolling is beneficial for you in many ways. These popular and good quality roller massagers will ensure that you get the best results. Let's go ahead and check them out.